Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we will explore the Circulating folder. First, log in. To access your Circulating folder, simply open your documents and navigate to the Circulating folder. The purpose of the Circulating folder is to assist users in tracking and managing documents and tasks that they have sent to others to sign or approve. You are able to see the documents without their portfolios. Now, let's go through all the options you have within the Circulating folder. In the top left corner, you will see your document ID. This is your unique document identifier. You are able to see the document name. You are able to see who needs to perform their action on the document next. Next, you can see the date that the document was requested. There are various actions you can take on the document, such as editing the document flow. Here you are able to move signers up or down the signing order. Clicking on Edit Signer will allow you to edit the signers on the document before it is signed. You are able to edit the first name, last name, email address, and mobile number. Please note that editing the signer will also replace the previous signer. You can also edit document approvers. When saving the edit, the system will send an email notification to the new signer. You are able to open the current version of the document. Clicking on the three dots will reveal more options that you can perform on the document. You are able to send a reminder to the next signer. Please note that you may already have automatic reminders set up, which will already remind the recipient once a day via email and in-system notification. You can download the latest version of the document in PDF format to your computer, and all unsigned signature fields in the document will be labeled Sign Online in the PDF. You are able to cancel the document workflow. You are able to see the progress of the document workflow. To obtain more information regarding a document, simply navigate to the left drop-down arrow. Clicking on the drop-down arrow will preview the document. You are able to see the audit log. Here you can see who has already actioned the document and who still needs to action it. You are able to download the audit log of the document. For more information regarding the audit log, please watch our video that explains the SigniFlow audit log in detail. This video can be found in the description below. The workflow information is available to you. Here you will be able to see more information regarding the workflow. Once the document is signed and geolocation has been enabled, the geolocation of the signer will be populated here. That is an overview of the Circulating folder in SigniFlow. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.